While at CES, we got to check out a lot of really cool companies, but one company that stood out to me specifically works in the health tech, sport tech field. Spryng, or Spryng, however you want to pronounce it, is a compression, like kind of bracer that goes on your legs that will help you with your blood flow. That'll basically use pressure and bladders in a series of movements to keep the blood moving, as opposed to putting pressure and releasing where the blood will just go right back to where it was prior. It uses its technique specifically to push the blood up the leg, allowing it to basically not rest. It's going to be a technique that's going to be really good for people who do a lot of working out and hurt their legs a lot from exercise or just athletic activity. But also, there's going to be some definite benefit for people who have diabetes or blood flow problems. Me personally, I know a lot of people that have conditions where they worry about blood clots, and this kind of thing is going to be very helpful to make them feel comfortable staying for long periods of positions in one position and not have to worry about a blood clot forming in their leg. But regardless of any of the types of uses that you think might be beneficial, this technology, using this smart application to keep your legs in a healthy manner, I like seeing more of this in the marketplace, because this type of at-home techniques can be done without being forced to have to be under supervision of doctors and making sure you're taking good care of yourself before it gets to that point. The whole idea is to take care of you now before you get to the point where you're going to need constant medical supervision. So this tool should be very helpful for anybody who has circulation issues in their leg. So keep an eye on this one when it comes available on the market. I believe right now it's currently still testing, but it should be coming very soon. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys in the next CES video.